Hi there, Sanbonani Molweni. Welcome to Fish Channel. If you're new here, please subscribe before the end of the video. If you're returning, thank you for your love and support. I appreciate you. Reality TV stars Busisiwe Macele noKhanya Mayeni, Sobile Makhumalo, and Mangwabe Mseleku will be hosting a new show on SABC1 called Igumbula Makhosikazi. The show, which starts airing on 7 February, will give viewers advice about their personal lives. Speaking to Daily Sun, Mayeni said, "This is a show that talks about things that are happening to everyone, married or not. We will also touch on things that happen in relationships at home and talk about children. We will really be touching on everything we know people at home need advice on. We'll discuss these issues and we will share our thoughts about them." Mayeni said fans of the Mzansi Magic reality show Uthando Nes'thembu inspired the new show. People who have been following us since it started are always sending us messages asking for advice. It does not only happen to me, but to other wives as well. Sometimes it's about marriages and sometimes general questions about other problems. We felt responding online only helps the person who asked, but a TV show will help a lot of people. Mayeni said viewers will take away a lot from the show. We choose to talk about things people go through in real life because we wanted to reach out to other people out there, not just the people who reach out to us. It is also great that there are 4 of us because people won't just get the opinion from one. We are 4 different women from different backgrounds and don't think the same. Sometimes we agree and sometimes we disagree. It will benefit the people watching. So uzizweleke uMayeni, uMangwabe, uMakhumalo, uMacele bazokube zi-talk show Igumbula Makhosikazi ezokhuluma ngezinto ezenzekayo emakhaya nezingane. Kuningi ke ozokuthola kule show. If you're not part of this channel, please subscribe. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for your love and support. I appreciate you.